Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Dollar yen, the crash has started and finally, and I don't think it's reversible. So, like I mentioned last week, this pair has been extremely choppy. It could go either way, but there are more areas of value to the downside which I've marked out, and I think it has started the descent, and it will be very hard for. I don't think it could be reversed. I think this is done by the whales, and they are in control of the price, and it will find more downside. So for this pair, as I mentioned, the market makers have started to unwind their positions to hunt for juicy stop loss down to the downside. We may see short-term rally, but it will not last, right? Downside is imminent. So for bear case, price immediately plummets down from here. Our take profit 1 is at 109. Take profit 2 is at 108.7, around here. Okay. And if the boost and the last straw will be at 108 here. Okay. So you will need to burst all these little bubbles. Now for the bull case, if the bulls manage to find a little bit of breathing space from here, it'll be very short-lived, extremely tight, and we will not break this level. I do not think it will break this level. We will sell every value that comes to the dollar yen. Yeah, and again, dollar yen we will not long, only short for this month.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.